just a bit of track walk. Come have a look. We watched the boys ride Press yesterday, so I'm looking forward to it. Kind of got the rhythms in my head already from watching Press, so I'm excited.
Anytime you can come in a stadium, you got the lights on, you got the fans cheering like crazy, and you feel comfortable, you know you're in a good spot.
The bikes get rebuilt before every race, so it's not like we have to do a lot of maintenance, right, or repair. So as long as the guy keeps it upright, we're just kind of cleaning it, checking a couple key things. I'm just going to check the clutch. You know, if he's ripping, I don't need to change anything.
They know what they want. It's our job to give it to them. And with Max, it's just like you get the chassis balance good. And we just make changes while keeping that chassis balance. And with Michael, he's kind of a little particular about it, like his front tire feel. He really wants to be able to feel that front tire.
Dang good. Keep clean racing. Again, had to come to the back. We showed everyone he was the fastest guy tonight.